Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurheda, as a participant in International Economic and Business Conference, or ICON, from STIMIA Prima Pasar. I would like to present my article with the title The Influence of Leadership Style on the Work Spirit of Employees in the Production Department of PT Samudra Indonesia.
The influence of leadership style on employee work enthusiasm in the production department of PT Samudra Indonesia. This study aims to analyze the influence of leadership style on employee work enthusiasm in the production department of PT Samudra Indonesia. Employee work enthusiasm is an important factor in achieving organizational goals, especially in the economic production. The leadership style applied by a leader can be one of the factors influencing employee work motivation. This research as a quantitative method with a survey approach. The population in the study consists of unemployed in the production department of PT Samudra Indonesia. While the sample was taken randomly, data were collected through questionnaire and analysis using simple linear regression analysis. The research results show that there is significant influence between leadership style and employee work spirit in the production department of the PT Samudra Indonesia. This means that the better the leadership style applied, the happier the employees work enthusiasm will be. The implication of this research is the important for leaders at PT Samudra Indonesia to implement effective leader style in the enhancing employee work motivation. Part 1. Introduction. 1. Background. Every company has various goals to achieve in order to reach the company objective. Those goals can be achieved through activities that involve the research aspect within the company. For example, capital, machinery, buildings, and human resources. Among these aspects, the most important is the human resource aspect. Human resource consists of the people within the company who have the ability, talent, and enthusiasm to work. The importance of human resource that the company needs to provide work motivation to employ, so that it can encourage them to work diligently and complete their tasks on time. This will affect the level of employee productivity in the order to achieve the company goals. The quality of human resource can be achieved if one of the factors work enthusiasm, which influence performance, can be well and perfectly developed within the company, especially for companies that prioritize service of course, requiring high quality and personal human resource. The success of building high quality and professional human resource, as well ensuring employee work enthusiasm, is closely related to the role of the company leadership. problem formulation. Based on the background present, the problem formulation in the research is, does leadership style have a significant effect on the work spirit of employees in the production department of PT Samudra Tbk Makassar? Research objective. The objective of this research is to determine the influence of leadership style on the work enthusiasm of employees in the production department of PT Samudra Indonesia Tbk Makassar. Lecture review. Research benefit. This research is expected to be useful for all interested parties. The usefulness of this research is as follows. Theoretical benefit. It is aspired to gain a deeper understanding of the concept of leadership style and the relationship with employee work motivation. For science, this research is expected to serve a future study material for research and development in the field of human research management, particularly regarding leadership style and employee work motivation. Definition of leadership style. Leadership style is the way leader reacts to influence subordinate so that what is aspired can be achieved. Every leader has different tendency in their leadership style. Some tend to focus and task completion, while other priorities building social leadership. Leaders in business organization generally focus more and functions related to the studying organization or non-profit organization because focus and focusing related on social leaders. Framework of thought. This research contains up to variables, namely independent variable and dependent variable. Leadership style is an activity to influence the behavior of others or the art of influencing human behavior, but individually and in a group. The indicators are support leadership, directive leadership, participation leadership, and oriented leadership. The variable of work enthusiasm is a positive fraction. In other words, can complete tasks with better results. That's work enthusiasm has an impact on the company activities. So, the company or organization shares employees who have high work enthusiasm. The indicators of work enthusiasm include low absenteeism rates, directed employee turnover rates, and reduced restlessness. Through this research, a framework of thought is used that leadership style will influence employee work enthusiasm because the concept of leadership is a process that influencing individuals and groups to achieve goals through attitude, cooperation, and decision that leaders must process for their leadership to be effective and efficient.
Types of data used in this research A. Qualitative data, which is data operated from literature studies and information or description, either of oral or written, relate to us and authorities concerning leaders there. G. Quantitative date, which is date obtained in the form or number that can be calculated and serve reference in this right. 2. Source of data. A. Primary date, which is a date obtained relatedly from the field. The primary date for this research, which obtained by distribution questionnaires to employees. B. Secondary dates, which is date or source obtained from various sources, including documentation, writing, books, reports, scientific work, and research results. And information from parties relates to the study being researched. Population and sample. 1. Population. So in this study, the population used is the entry staff of the production department at PT Samudra Indonesia Tbk Makassar. Totality 180 people. Thank you.